Hey everybody. I have got a little story to tell you. And it's my story. Uh, yes, I would like to hereby welcome you. Uh, I'm glad you could join me. Uh, I want to share something special with you. My own personal journey. A story of transformation, of discovery, and some success. This is a story of how Builderall reshaped my business and some of my business life, that is, you know. Uh, at the beginning, it was quite uh, overwhelming. Let me wind back to 2019, I think it was. That's when my entrepreneurial journey began, and it took an unexpected yet pivotal turn when I discovered Builderall, and it was like stumbling on uh, a hidden treasure, albeit one that felt really, really overwhelming at first because there was a lot of things inside Builderall that I just didn't understand at first. It's like, well, imagine this. You're standing in front of a great big machine for the first time. Intricate knobs and everything, screens here, there, everywhere. Yeah, just imagine that big machine and how daunting that must feel. Yeah, it's like climbing your personal Everest, the Everest of the Builderall machine. But I have to say, I wasn't deterred. No. That's where my life with Builderall began. But this journey, it wasn't about just navigating through a sea of tools. It was about the connections. It was about the community. Alongside friends and mentors, I found my path. And oh, how the chatbot messenger app changed the game for me. Yes, it was fun. uh, I love a challenge, and I love building things. I like to find out how they work. So just think about automation, how to make something sound like you, putting your personality into things, and how that must feel when you've actually built it. Yeah. Uh, so really thinking about that and then brainstorming it with other people inside the platform, inside the community. Yeah. Well, me joining Builderall team, the Builderall team that I'm in at the moment was a game changer. Suddenly, I wasn't just learning, I was contributing. I was giving my bits, my knowledge of things, even though it weren't that big at the time. I started stepping up. I started stepping in front of the camera. That was daunting. Oh my God, that was daunting. I was literally shaking when I did my first training. And I must admit, uh, being mentored by the person who is my mentor, uh, got me thinking, of course I can do this. Yeah. But then again, my being a being a teacher is different. Doing it in front of a camera is different. So yeah, I have to get over that small barrier. It is a small barrier, but once you've got it in there, you do it. So that's what I did, and I was encouraged by friends, by mentors, by people in the team, by people in the community. So yeah, sure, it was daunting, but with the support of my mentor, as I say, I embraced it, and I became the chatbot ninja, my alter ego, I suppose. The transition, yeah, was a little bit difficult, but doable. So I thought about my mission. My mission was crystallized. I wasn't just using Builderall. I was shaping a future with it. I was teaching, creating, innovating. From the basic chatbot course, which at the moment is still being tailored. Yeah, I'm still putting it together. It's getting there. I've also got the mastery course, which is done. It's just got to be done on video. My aim was clear: empower others in affiliate marketing. And that through the transformative power of chatbots. Yeah. Right. Let's get back to why I've navigated through distractions, overcome setbacks, and what I've learned. First of all, commitment. I've learned commitment. I've learned how to sit down and do a chatbot from beginning to end. My focus in on helping others. My focus on detail and aligning with a tool that resonates with your values is when using it Builderall, you sit down and you learn one tool first. That will focus you. That will get you moving, and it got me doing the same thing. Yeah, and that's really what brings you success, because you concentrate on one thing, get it out there and get it done. Do some live training, do some video trainings, sell the product, sell what it is you're doing, sell the chatbot templates, sell the website templates. But first of all, I had to focus. So my focus was on doing the chatbot. And my focus on was doing the chatbot and helping others. So yes, it has. It does resonate with me, and that's what brings the success. Why did I choose Builderall? You may ask. It's simple. It's more than a tool. It's my ally. its comprehensive capabilities, its ability to connect, integrate, and streamline. Builderall isn't just part of my business. It is really the heart of it, because I do build more chatbots in Builderall than anywhere else. Yes, I do use other tools, and I will continue using other tools, but Builderall is the main part. I use the super checkout. I use this chatbot. I use the website builder. I use Mailing Boss. They're the main parts of that I use. There are many other tools, yes, but they're the main ones that I use in my business at the moment. I haven't found anything better that resonates with me as much as that Builderall does. So yes, it has changed the way I work in business. But I also like to help others find their way. And if Builderall will help them, then I will show them how it works. And that's me using my skills and in training other people. So that is my business. Helping others to help themselves and to build their business. It's me, I suppose, coaching other people how to and helping them find their success, helping them feel that they're focusing more, that they're building a better way of life for them, not just for me. So it's helping others do that as well. So yeah, but it's also a community. It's a community and a mentorship, because there are always some people who are who have got more experience using Builderall. They are more experienced in affiliate marketing. They are more experienced in business. So there's always someone that you can turn to, that you can pull the knowledge towards you. You connect. The heart of Builderall is the community of ever-growing heart, I would say. The team I'm with, they've got a lot of heart. They do build. They do training. We do talks. We do lots of different things to help each other. And that's the main thing, helping. We learn, we grow together. It's a vibrant community. Yeah. We're not all in in the same business. That's where the community strength lies. We're not just one person doing one thing. We're many people doing many other things, from small businesses to big named entrepreneurs. Yeah, that is the main thing. And the thing is, we've got heart. We will help others. That's the main thing, what Builderall inspires. Helping others, doing business, whatever it is, get in touch with yourself and the product, the platform. So Chatbot Ninja today, yeah, I stand before you not just as a business owner and teacher, but as a mentor, a guide, I suppose, a friend. Builderall has transformed my business and my approach to business. It's changing my life, and it's not just done, and it's not finished. I will complete. It's going to completely change over the future, and I expect to be changing with it. It's my journey, and my journey is not finished here. It's my legacy because I teach others. Yeah. So that is my personal story from I suppose it's an odyssey in Builderall. My Builderall Odyssey, I should say. My business is the Builderall business. My business is helping others. My business is helping myself. And I do that on a day-to-day basis, and I'm loving it. So, thank you for listening. Thank you for Builderall. Thank you for this one, Chatbot Ninja. Me, Ian Wallace Harper. Chatbot Ninja is my alter ego, and Builderall is a big part of being Chatbot Ninja. So thank you very much, and thank you for listening. Bye for now.